This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your devices. Make sure your iPhone or iPad runs the latest iOS and you're signed into iCloud. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so the Home app can detect accessories. Use the same too. 4 GHz network when required because many accessories don't support 5 GHz during setup. Next, open the Home app and tap the plus icon to add an accessory. This begins pairing, which is the essential first step, so the hub and device can exchange credentials securely. You will now add and configure accessories. Scan the Home kit code or select the discovered accessory in the list, then follow the devices on screen prompts to pair. Make sure to assign each device to a specific room and give it a clear, spoken name so Siri understands commands. Naming is why voice control works reliably. Once paired, set up scenes and automations to combine actions, and grant Home access to family members so everyone can control devices safely and remotely. Finish by designating a Home hub. Enable an Apple TV, HomePod, or always at iPad in iCloud so you get remote access and automations. Then test voice commands and remote control from another network to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Reboot your hub and the accessory, check they're on the same network, and verify iCloud home settings. If problems persist, remove and re-add the accessory. This often clears pairing errors and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.